so much. It's a pleasure. It's a huge merit from heaven that they are allowing, when they're allowing us to participate, to take part in such a wonderful event, occasion, a spiritual and beautiful moment of two souls that are getting together in such a spiritual and beautiful bonding that is above anything that we can think of in physical reality. Every particle, every cell in our world, when we look at it, it looks physical, but we believe and we can understand with our mind that is also spiritual, as our faith that is spiritual as well, that the core, the essence of every particle in creation is life itself. It holds life within. And we can never see that life. Everything to our eyes seems physical, holds all kinds of constrictions, colors, shapes, sizes, measurements, all kinds of physical boundaries. But we believe that the life spirit of the Almighty gives life to every part of His creation. And He, life itself, is being reflected in the creation. And the most powerful moment is to see two particles that are separate from each other become one. That's the highest moment of them all. It's the highest moment when you eat something. The fruit can be beautiful on the tree, but it's almost useless until someone picks it and says a blessing on it, realizing that it came from the Creator and enjoying that fruit. That connection is the purpose of its creation. And as higher as the level of those ones who take a role in that show, in that presentation, is higher, so the result of their union, of their connection, is more meaningful, more powerful, and reveals more holiness and more godliness out to the world and shines. And here we have, with no doubt, a very special couple, with very pure hearts, with amazing and pure intention, that purify themselves in long life journeys and follow an inner faith through long process of awakeness and deep understandings and developments that took years to build and to prepare themselves for this most spiritual and amazing moment. And with no doubt, we are all very blessed to be part of this happiness and to even just be here and breathe the same air with this holy couple that no one can understand their spiritual and the level of their importance in this moment and for good in the eyes of our beloved Creator. Just to be by their sides and to take part in their happiness while they're keeping such a great mitzvah and coming in that covenant of wedding, of marriage. And may the one that his name is Shalom, peace, real peace. Shalom comes from the word shalem, complete, in the holy language of Hebrew. May the shalom, may the completion, may the peace, and may the blessing of heaven hover in your hearts for good and in the hearts of all your beloved ones. And to every place you will look with your holy eyes, always light will shine and blessing will come, and all your prayers and requests will be answered, and the prayers and requests of all your surroundings and beloved ones. and may we all cross the long distance of our journeys of thousands of years of exile to 1,000 years of redemption and complete salvation with a happy heart and a wishing soul, with stable mindset and good intentions and pure heart. Amen. Ken Yehi Ratzon. Amen.
Thank you.